What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna get back to these valve covers that had taken me forever to get back to you, honestly. So here's the one that we finished. If you remember, got that one all finished, powder coated up, looking real nice. So turned out pretty good. And then this one we left off on. So I got it all taped up here. We got the first orange down on everything. So I taped everything off with this powder coating tape, and then I'm gonna get on here and get all this stuff black in here, and then we're gonna put it in the oven and get it on the car, I think. I'll give you a quick update right here. Got one side pulled off, getting it prepped for this. And while I was doing all this, I forgot about my cookies in the oven here. Forgot about my cookies. The damn shit, my paint or my tape is burning up here. It's all starting to peel up, bubble. Got a few more minutes left, and I'll show you when we're done. Look how much better these look. Way better. Just got back from a little lunch break. Got one side's back on there, the side we was working on before here, and it looks really good. Get the light on there, it's almost too much light. So we go to the other side here, and you can see we're working on that side. That's the side that we forgot, and the tape got too hot and started peeling up. So there's a few spots like right here. You can see where the tape came up and it got some black on the orange where it's not supposed to, but other than that, it's pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. There's just a few little spots right there, like I said, the tape peeled up, black was on the tape, and it just got on the orange. So we'll get the other side on. I mean, I'm just showing you like a before and after. You can see where like this old one how it's starting to peel up a little bit and starting to look crappy. So alright guys, we got the valve cover all finished up and it's on. I just wanted to show you real quick before I got the coil packs on. You can't really see anything after that, but I think it looks awesome. Pretty awesome. So there you go, guys. We got the new valve covers on. You've seen how we powder coated them with our Eastwood powder coating kit from Eastwood over there. And I'm gonna finish buttoning this up. I'll give you another look at it after I get it all finished up, and go from there. Here we go, guys. We're all finished up. Got my little pen light right here, my new Milwaukee light. This thing is bright as can be. So just wanted to give you guys one last look at it as we got finished up. Just got everything plugged back in. I got the spark plug wires hooked up, coil pack wires hooked up, got everything tightened back down. So I think it made a good improvement. Well guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed everything. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked today's video, and we'll catch you on the next one.